This newscast talking about this hurricane, which is affecting potentially so many people.
Yeah, and it's been interesting, Eric, because oftentimes when a storm is that far out to sea, I know the track can kind of go all over the place, but you guys have been sort of zoomed in on this one track for a long time.
The track up to the coastline really hasn't changed much at all the entire process, which is some good news because it allows people to really get a head start, to prepare, to be ready for a strong storm to move in. It's what happens once it reaches the coastline. That is the biggest question mark tonight. We take a look at the satellite presentation of Florence this evening. We're really becoming quite powerful this afternoon. Now it looks like it's feeling a little bit of southwesterly wind shear and some drier air getting injected into the storm. There'll be some intensity wobbles over the next 48 hours before it reaches land for sure. But the Hurricane Center maintaining Category 4 strength right up into the coastline. The biggest question mark here, as I mentioned, what happens right when it gets to that Carolina coast? It looks like it'll be coming very close to Wilmington, but a lot of guidance today stalling it there, drifting over several days, even coming south potentially, which is why the cone does include areas all the way down through Charleston, South Carolina. And so there's a lot of uncertainty once we get to this point in the weekend. How slow is it going to move? And overall, how will that change the impacts? It's just going to slam the brakes when it hits that North Carolina coastline, a huge ridge on all sides protecting it. So really there's nothing to move the storm at all, and it will remain that way all the way into the weekend. So once it finally does come ashore, it's just going to sit, drift, and rain itself out, and that could produce some tremendous amounts of rainfall, upwards of 30 inches before all is said and done. Now, other storms in the tropics, a quick mention of Tropical Storm Isaac. That is moving west toward the Windward Islands, expected to stay at tropical storm strength. It'll enter the Caribbean as we head toward the weekend, so it will be something to monitor in those very warm waters. There's another system off the tip of the Yucatan Peninsula. This is moving toward Texas. This may become a tropical storm by the end of this week. It would be Joyce if it does reach that. There's another tropical storm, Olivia, which is going to make landfall in Hawaii tomorrow, crossing Maui most likely and bringing heavy rainfall there. I didn't even mention Helene because it's a hurricane and staying out to sea. So the peak of the season is very much acting in peak form. Now, we look here at home. We've got a weak front that moved through today, ushering back that warm and muggy weather. Temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s in much of the region, and the humidity is right back at it, dew points in the 70s. With that warmer air, there have been a couple of scattered showers and downpours. Had a thunderstorm earlier on around the Bridgewater area. That's dissipated, but there are still a couple of pop-up downpours here and there. That will be the story this evening. If you're heading out, make sure you still have the rain jacket or the umbrella. A few scattered showers and downpours, mild and muggy in the 60s. High surf also expected on the south-facing beaches. That will be the story all week long as Florence churns well to our south. That's the only impact we get. In terms of rainfall, we're very unsettled for the next 48 hours. Some scattered showers and downpours are likely on and off tomorrow. A lot of clouds. On Thursday, still a lot of cloud cover. Still a chance for a couple of pop-up showers and storms out there. Little lower chance than what we have tomorrow. Tomorrow's also a cooler day. We'll see highs in the upper 60s to middle 70s. The wind turning more northeasterly across the region. We're in the 70s on Thursday. It finally gets a little bit brighter on Friday, and brighter still this weekend. That same big area of high pressure that is forcing Florence to the south is going to bring a return of summer conditions here at home and keep us mainly dry for the Friday through Tuesday stretch. And the temperatures will respond. Brighter conditions will bring highs in the upper 70s on Friday, upper 70s to middle 80s Saturday through Tuesday. And it stays pretty muggy. Dew points will be in the 60s this entire stretch. Not really September-like. David and Lisa, back to you.
No, it's still waiting to arrive. Fall